Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a question that's been popping up a lot: how to DoorDash to another state. Whether you're craving your favorite hometown dish while away or surprising a friend across state lines, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First off, DoorDash is primarily designed for local deliveries, but with some planning, you can make cross-state orders work within limits. The key is understanding DoorDash's coverage and restrictions. Start by opening the Doordash app and checking if the restaurant or store you're eyeing is available in the destination state. Not every area is covered, so this is step 1. Next, ensure your delivery address is correctly entered. DoorDash uses GPS and mapping to determine feasibility, so double-check that the location isn't too far. Generally, deliveries are limited to about 10 to 20 miles, but crossing state lines might push that boundary. If you're ordering for someone else, they might need to create an account or use a virtual address if possible. Now, here's a crucial point. Not all states allow easy cross-border deliveries due to regulations, like alcohol or certain food items. Always verify local laws to avoid any issues. Once you're good to go, place your order as usual, select your items, add to cart, and proceed to checkout. You might see higher fees for longer distances, so keep an eye on that. Pro tip: use promo codes to offset costs, and if you're unsure, contact DoorDash support through the app. They can confirm if your delivery is possible. Remember, timing is everything. Factor in extra travel time for longer hauls. In summary, while DoorDash isn't set up for routine interstate deliveries, with the right checks and a bit of luck, you can make it happen. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.